Ready? Start. The language of the young barrister in the case was most stately, and it must have influenced both judge and jury. Full stop. It almost looked as if the case was lost at the first because of the calm way in which the opposing counsel set out to state the facts for his side. Full stop. But the young barrister faced the test fairly, and his language and style, though different, showed him to be a master of law and logic. Full stop. We shall watch his career at the bar, and we think he must succeed because of his ability. Full stop. If you can put me up for a week in August, I shall be ready to go and stay with you. Full stop. You can have as much walking as you like. Full stop. I shall be at your disposal at almost any hour, and as I am a rare walker myself, I think I can say you will have all the exercise you wish. Full stop. You ought to be a different fellow when I leave, if you will be influenced by me. Full stop. I think I can give you a mile in 6 and beat you. Full stop. I have had some talk with young Lord Robson several times in the past week, and he says you can do 5 miles an hour. Full stop. Those who saw you last autumn and know what you can do all say the same thing. Full stop. This is all I know. eyes to your form, but we shall see for ourselves. Full stop. I think you will own I am far beyond you in speed. Full stop. It will be a case of each for himself and the race to the faster of the two. Full stop. Oh, I know I shall beat you unless you are faster this year. Full stop. Those who think poorly of themselves only induce those who know them to think the same. Full stop. I speak for myself because I know myself. Full stop. I can say a deal on this subject and I usually do so. Full stop. You ask why I have stayed away so long. Full stop. The answer is business keeps me away. Full stop. When would you like me to come? Full stop. The best of luck. You and to the rest of the family. Full stop. It will be nice to see them all, though I saw most of them a month or two ago. Full stop. Dear Clay, if you are at liberty on Friday next, I shall be pleased if you will try to come in and see Dr. Driver, our principal member for the borough. Full stop. He is to take the chair at the club dinner in April, and I should like you to know him. Full stop. The member at the dinner may be larger those this year because of the increase in the number of members in the local and neighboring clubs during the past year. Full stop. I think you ought to be at least an narrow member of our club. Full stop. The other members would be happy to have you with them and they would cheer you up. And in truth, you can do with it. Full stop. It would be no trouble to me to push the case for you if you care to apply. Full stop. Faithfully yours, Peter Fletcher. Full stop. Dear sir, thank you for yours of the 1st of April and for mailing me your price list and samples of blue and black inks and glue in the several sizes of bottles. Full stop. I think the labels are better and brighter now. Full stop. I shall give the samples a fair trial during the next few weeks, and if suitable, I may be able to stock a large number of the smaller sizes. Full stop. As I think you know, my principal business is with legal offices, and as you will agree, it is essential to offer them only first class inks. Full stop. Yours truly. Start. Dear sir, I believe you are proposing to buy some house property in Beverly. Full stop. If this is so, I shall be pleased to call and show you details of Waverly House and Crowther Grange and other desirable houses which I wish you would look over. Full stop. If you will tell him just what you desire, I think I can shoot you. Full stop. I shall, however, leave all details till I see you. Full stop. If it is larger a case of low price, as I gather it is, I know I can offer you value equal to any, and with early delivery of the premises in all cases. Full stop. I specialize in valuation business, and this brings me into touch with just the right people for your purpose. Full stop. Faithfully yours. Ready? Start. Have you ever noticed what useful lessons you may receive through a shrewd look at the faces of the people you come across in traveling? Full stop. You will see in them humor and gloom, generosity and miserable stinginess, pluck and nervous fear, wisdom and simplicity. Full stop. You will notice the drinker and the abstainer, the hopeful and the fearful, the clever talker and the bore, the flighty and the modest, the pilferer and the honest fellow, the loafer and the worker. Full stop. 5 minutes in a tramway car may offer us many lessons if we care to take them. Full stop. From what I know of Cedric Spring, he has no claims to supreme cleverness. Full stop. It would be safer to describe him as a spruce young fellow with a very strong belief in himself. He is possibly a bit masterful in his manner, but he is the more likely to succeed because of his liking for work. Full stop. Nor do I think he is in any extreme sense a pleasure seeker. Full stop. Far from it. Full stop. I am sure there is no more honorable fellow in the city, and it will surprise me if he fails to make a name for himself. Full stop. As he lives near me, I travel with him several days a week, and I must say he has a plausible tongue which should assist him in his business. Full stop. We are surprised to know from your favor of the 6th of August of the extremely long delay in the delivery of the Surrey and Gloucestershire books. Full stop. So far as we can discover, there is no very clear reason for the delay. Full stop. We have looked into the case, as you may be sure, and it is still a mystery. Full stop. Mr. Strong, our dispatch clerk, expressly disclaims any blame, but if possible, he will take more care with the books still to come. Full stop. He will personally supervise the addressing of the parcels. Full stop. By the way, we hope to have the new Oxbridge book ready very soon. Full stop. It will be in the same style as our classical library. Full stop. It may be difficult for you to follow the general principles upon which foreign business is carried on, but if you are to win your way in a firm which does business with the northern and southern states of America, you will have to try. Full stop. No business mind, and above all, no business mind whose principal business is with foreigners can possibly leave this branch of economics from his training. Full stop. If he should refrain because of a general dislike of the science, he will surely suffer in the long run. Full stop. The truth of this has been shown over and over again within my own circle, and I speak for your advantage. Full stop. The principles may appear difficult to follow, and if you imagine the task beyond you, it will prove so. Full stop. But be brave, face the plain truth, and you will lighten the work and succeed as you will deserve to succeed. Full stop. Local authorities as borough and urban councils generally derive their main revenue from the rates they levy. Full stop. They may, of course, receive profits from any business carried on by them within the borough. Full stop. Over and above all this, they receive allowances from the state. Full stop. Either men or women may appeal to the authorities, and they very often do if they think they have been unfairly assessed. Full stop. But it will be difficult for them to obtain relief unless they are able to prove their case and satisfy the authorities as to a supposed overcharge. Full stop. The fence are stretched of marsh along the shores of the was used to be the scene of many a chance, affray, and many a set battle owing to the inroads of the Saxons and Danes on the domains of the natives. Full stop. It seems to have been a vast primeval forest at the time of the Romans, who, with their usual vigilance, saw a means of saving this expense from the ravages of the waves by a clearance of the trees and the raising of banks. Full stop. King John, of whose violence against the barons there is but one opinion, nearly lost his life in one of the treacherous channels of the was. Full stop. Those who have read Kingsley's romance of the endurance and stout resistance of the Saxons in the Isle of Ely must have been struck by the graphic details of the rough roads of those days, and even now they are none too easy for transit. Full stop. Times out of number the waves of the sea carried away property, causing havoc and distress to the farmers. Full stop. If I annoy you in the deliverance of my opinion, as the chances are I may put it down to a reading mind's reverence for books and his diligence in the pursuit of a course which lightens many an hour for him. Full stop. Think of these significant facts and your frowns may vanish. Full stop. If you have a love of books, you will feel no loneliness if and when men forget you. Full stop. You can dispense with them in the circumstances, for you will have within yourself through the brains of your authors many better men to replace them. Full stop. The balance of advantage in the change is likely to be in your favor. Full stop. You will grasp the significance of this remark, I am sure, for the man who derives pleasure from reading books makes for himself reserves of strength to call upon against the time of trouble or stress. Full stop. In 1858 was set up a royal commission of popular education in all the nation. Full stop. The commissioners at their discretion work to arrange examinations to obtain information from every direction to the exclusion of none, to call upon physicians, musicians, and educationalists of every class to take depositions when necessary, and briefly to review the general situation so as to secure satisfaction beyond all mere generalization and show if there had been progression or retrogression. Full stop. The commissioner's work was sensational in the facts brought out. Full stop. There was ample justification for the commission and the adoption of the commissioner's advice was followed by a alteration in the general scheme of national education.